I'm back with another video again. I haven't been making videos somehow because I've been too busy doing fun stuff for now. Oops, sorry, kind of complicated, but yeah. This is a random video. No. I hate doing these. I actually got tested. I got tested like 2 weeks ago, and I got 11. So I want to keep up. Thank y'all for the support, and just make it up. And I got 11. I'm trying to hit 20, and I think it only counts on the views. But this ain't random video. Today's video, I have a question. Yeah, ready? Here we go. Do y'all think that fidget spinners are old? Leave in the comments down below if y'all think that they are. Because some people might think they are, some people don't. They're old to me, but they're not. It's both. I like fidget spinners, but they're old. I already got another one. Yeah. And yeah, leave in the comments down below if y'all saw it too, because it's scary. Too much killing and too much blood. Yeah. I want to tell y'all that. Sorry I don't usually record for that long. But today I'm recording for a long time. I was thinking of bringing my tablet to school so I could record sneaking. I'm just kidding, I wasn't. So yeah. Yeah, I'm eating like them nachos. Good. So yeah. So yeah. So yeah, guys. But yeah, I gotta say that. Yeah, guys, that's what I want to say. And the reason why I haven't been recording for a long time is because I haven't been on this for a long time. Because I'll be playing with my friends, I'll be watching movies, I'll be playing GTA. Yeah. And I'm gonna be doing a birthday special next year. Because on May 2nd, it's gonna be my birthday. I'm gonna be turning 11. It's gonna be awesome. I don't know where we're going. We might go to the roller skating rink to have my birthday party, or over there. So yeah. But yeah. That's all I wanted to say. Please wish me a happy birthday. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If y'all did, leave a like and subscribe. And go stay on the next video. Peace.